Want to learn how to simulate a rotating region in Fluent the most efficient way? This project exactly teaches that. Starting from geometry preparation in SpaceClaim, all the way through meshing, simulation setup, and experimental validation, every step is covered in detail. You will learn how to set up the reference frame motion modeling approach, also known as the frozen rotor method, the most widely used and computationally efficient technique for simulating rotating machinery in steady state without physically moving the mesh. You will prepare the rotating and stationary fluid domains, create rotational periodic interfaces, define the correct boundary conditions inside a rotating reference frame, and run the solver. Once converged, you will calculate the total propeller thrust from the CFD results and validate it directly against real experimental data. From helical slipstream pathlines to pressure contours on the blade surface, the post-processing section shows you exactly how the flow behaves around a spinning propeller. Every setting and every decision is explained precisely, so you walk away with the engineering judgment to apply this approach to your own rotating machinery projects. Available now on Mechtasia, link in description.